Welcome back to another video on how to raise and care for dermestid beetles and start your own successful skull cleaning business. You do not need a license to possess these bugs, but you may need a license to clean skulls as a business. So you need to check with your local wildlife management office. If you are interested in purchasing these beetles, there is a link in the description below. Today I'll be showing you how to prep meat for your bugs and freeze it for when times are slow and you do not have skulls. Today we will be prepping this beef heart. I got it from a local butcher for like $10. You can use any type of meat as long as it does not have gangrene in it. So let's get to prepping this.
So what we want to do is just cut that fat off of it, because the bugs don't eat the fat right away and it'll sit in your colony and it'll go rancid. So we're just going to cut all that off, and then we're going to slice it up into pieces for the bugs and feed them. This is something you need to do when you don't have skulls. Get them through the winter, whatever. If you hunt, save the meat you're not going to eat. You know, bring your heart back, liver back, whatever. If you're not going to eat it, freeze it for your bugs. That way, you know, you don't run out of meat. So now what we do is just slice it up into pieces. I like to cut them, about that thick, just so they have something to chew on. You want to make them small enough where they can eat them in time so they don't rot. The bad spots on an animal that you harvest, you can cut those off, grind them up, make it into hamburger, and then feed these guys wasted meat when you're not busy. You should have enough skulls to keep you going. Sometimes nobody has a skull or anything. You need extra meat. There you go. And then freeze it, and that way you have bug food throughout the winter or in the slow times. Just chunks like that. That's all you need. I am going to give a little bit of this to the bugs that just finished eating up the chicken, because I noticed that I just had a big hatching and I need a little bit of meat for the little guys to eat and grow. So you do want to make sure you let this sit and let the blood soak out of it so that you don't flood your cage with blood. So this one's been sitting for 4 or 5 hours now. It's thawed, came out of the freezer. So got the meat cut up. The bigger your colony grows, the faster they are going to consume meat. So you always need to have some meat on hand.